Hello, this is 4-dimensional pixel. Today, learn this kind of Chinese operation.
I will
teach you
very
in
simple.
detail. First, take a
And upload
screenshot
another
of this
one.
to make an animation.
Send this
hint to him. Then you will get a picture of the same character. Then open Peas. Take a picture of the character. Here, you have to take out the part that the character needs to move.
this
Then,
leg.
make a copy of the specific
background.
operation.
You can watch my
video. Just like this. Take out all the parts that need to be moved. And double-click the layer
Name them
name.
again.
Easy to distinguish. Make sure these click files are stored. Save it as a PSD file. Click Save. Then come to AE to make animation for him. Double-click the project
Find the
blue and
PSD
white.
file that you just
Click
saved.
to enter. Select the type of compound. Maintain the size of the layer. Then find this compound file. Double-click it. This is the layer that was just separated. We have to make animations for each part separately. Take this leg as an example. How to make it move. You can choose this dot tool. Move the point of the leg to the root. Set the root as the center. Then press R to rotate. You only need to hit the key needle for
You
the
can make the
rotation
motion
parameter.
effect.
This is the first method. There is another way. Use this control tool. Hit 2 points on the joints of the legs. The position of the moving point can also make the motion effect. So we can move the time back 20 frames. Pull the position of the knee joint down a little bit. Back to the beginning. Pull it up again. So it has a key animation. Then press Alt and mouse button to add a loop expression to it. So this leg can move in a loop. Then select the key needle and move it to the right. Give it a curve. Pull it into this semicircle shape. See the effect. The animation of the leg is done. This leg is moving in a loop. Then use the same method to make the arm. Hit 2 points on the joints of the arm. At the beginning, move each point slightly to the left, back 20 frames. Then move the position of the point to the right. Also add a loop expression. Change the key needle, topple it into the same curve. So the arm is done. You can see that the animation is a little stiff now. I mean, it's a little bit of the same hand. We can move one of the key needles of the animation forward or backward a few frames. That's much better. Next, make the hair float. Find the left hair to block it. Open this auto sway plug in the window. Then use the control point to hit 3 points. On the root, middle and tail of the hair. Effect control button. Select the transparent background. Click Apply. This plugin will automatically make the hair float. It can also adjust the distance and speed of the hair moving. This is the hair. Close the read and write. Take a look at the overall effect. Then do another one. Read and write. Convenient operation. Use the same control point to hit 3 points. Select Apply. So this hair is done. In addition, with the change often parameter, it can also adjust the movement of the front chair to prevent the movement of the synchronization. Then do the middle bangs. Here's another trick. When we follow the same operation just now, we will also hit this hair. After applying, you will find a problem. It's because the hair is too wide. When it moves, there will be this gap on both sides. How do we solve this? At this time, we can use this to hit 2 points where we don't want to move. This will fix the spot. The rest is to use the same operation to do the rest of the body parts. I'm going to speed it up a little bit here. After we've done it all, we get this effect. At this time, we can turn it off and then go back to the project and click on the icon to build another box. The width is 1440 and the height is 1080. The time has changed to 10 seconds. After building it, drag it into the wooden box we just made. Still use this control point to hit 3 points for it. Make a body shake. This is mainly to make an animation for the point above. Press U to adjust the keyframe. Use the technique of making the legs just now to make a body shape for it. The same 20 frames apart to add a loop expression to the position of the point. The curve should also be consistent with the animation just now. Take a look at the effect. There's a new problem here. It is that this kind of crack effect will appear when it is shaking. What should I do with this? It's very simple. All you need to do is to open this grid option and drag it to expand the parameters. This problem is solved. It won't crack. Then come to the last step, making the background. Build a black pure color layer on the right. Come to the effect and add a T-shaped gradient. Change the point of the gradient. Then start here to change it to red. By the way, drag the background to the bottom of the character. Then build a darker red on the right again. Search for the Chow's effect. Make the upper and lower borders. Change the height to 0. Change the completion to 75. Then add an optical compensation to it. Select reverse. When you zoom in, you will see that the border is curved. Change it to 50. Then select the character. Drag the character a little bit to the right. Ctrl+D, copy one layer. Enlarge the lower layer to the left. Slightly adjust the position and move it to the bottom of the border. Press T to adjust the opacity, then adjust it to 20. This is the background of the main body. If you want this border to follow the music up and down, you can give this completion parameter a keyframe. In addition, you can also select the character layer style on the right. Change the default red to white. Drag the size. By the way, make a keyframe for the border. Finally, there is a grid. Build a pure color layer on the same right. Search the grid for the effect. Change the size to wide and smooth. Drag the width parameter. Then press R to rotate it. And move it to the bottom of the character. Slightly adjust the opacity and border. Then you can give the keyframe for the keyframe to control the movement of the grid. Give the keyframe to the keyframe. Come to the parameter production and Imin at the end of the x-axis. This is the final effect. The rest is to add some words according to the audio screen. Okay, this tutorial is probably like this. Thinking Pixel. See you next time.